Welcome. This is CKS scenario solving series. If you are new to our channel, then we already have a playlist regarding CK, CK mock questions, network policy, and many stuffs. So I advise you can go through the playlist. That might help you. So today's discussion is AppArmor. So we are in Killer Coda, and we have already covered this Cilium API crash, and now audit enable logging, and now this is the AppArmor. I'll just click in the AppArmor. So I'll just press start. So you will find like this AppArmor. So what is the AppArmor? Do you remember classic game Contra? Just like this. Continue. Look, this is the power we get, and I upgrade this power, and now can my bullet changes. So AppArmor is we can analyze AppArmor means just like a soldier. Just like a soldier, our power totally depends on the weapon we are holding. That's exactly AppArmor profile works in the Linux. So in contra, with normal gun you can shoot a single bullet, but when gain power like S, you can fire in multiple direction. F, you can fire with fireballs. With L, you can laser gun, you can fire the lasers. So each weapon limits or empowers your capacities. So in Linux, the process is your soldier. The AppArmor profile is the weapon rules. For example, here the Docker default is like a normal gun, safe and limited. TCP dump is like a laser gun, very specific, only for the packet capture. And this snap lxd.lxc is like a spread gun, can cover container in many direction. And FTPD is like a flame gun. So means it is the analogy type of thing, but here not much asked in the question, because here it is asked that create a profile direct profile.txt file in a control plane, and it should contain this profile name that are available. So these are the list of a question means asking that from these which is the present, you can put in this profile.txt file. So we can check the whatever is there with the AppArmor status commands. So I'll just log in into the node pest, and I'll just AppArmor status. So you will find so many profiles. Okay, so here we'll check for this TCP default. Control L app armor status, and then grep, and I'll paste docker default. So this is available. Check for this lxc. This is not available. Check for this ftpd. This is not present. TCP dump. These two are present. So this way I can think, but I can do one thing. I can create a file via list.txt, and I can paste this thing here. Now I can copy this, paste it here, and grep -ff noted. First is capital F, then small f. So it means search for all fixed strings listed in this file. So here what I can pass list.txt xt. So you will find these two things. So I can redirect directly here to so I can just know, because I need this file in that control plane. So I can open a new tab, or I can open a new tab and just echo docker default is available, paste, and the path is this. So I'll paste. This is the redirector, and file is also created. And now the second is TCP dump is available. So I'll copy this TCP dump. I'll append it. While appending, you need one arrow, one also. So now I can cat to cross verify. So these are present. Now our status is solved. So let's check it. Validation is successful. So in this way you can do fixed deployment with the wrong app or config. We'll have it tomorrow. So please visit our playlist because that would have more follow through topics. Thank you so much for your love and support once again.